Okay, I'm hoping this simulation of her hearing loss will help everyone understand what her hearing is like. So first of all, I have input her hearing thresholds from her most recent hearing test, which was April of 2023. And this computer calculated that when she does not wear a hearing aid, she hears 1% of speech sounds in the left ear and 3% in the right ear. Now this will make more sense when we go over to this other screen and we can see it a little bit more easily. So right here on these graphs, we have low pitch, middle pitch, and high pitch, and then very soft sounds to very loud sounds at the top. This gray area is normal hearing. So at the bottom we have what people with normal hearing can just barely hear, their threshold. And then at the top we have where it's so loud, it's uncomfortably loud then. Okay, and then we can put on her hearing loss. She has lost all of this. So you can see she has a smaller amount of sounds that she can hear. She has to have the volume turned up all the way up here for her to just be able to barely hear it. And then implications of that are that, normal sounds of life. She is missing out on whispering sounds as well as just soft birds, soft crickets, and things like that. But I care even more about these speech sounds right here. So remember on the other screen, I said that the computer calculated that she can hear about 1% of speech sounds in the left ear and 3% in the right ear. And this is why you can see kind of where these speech sounds lie. The F, S, TH are very soft and high pitch. And then these sounds, these vowels are low pitch. Some of that speech energy probably does come up a little bit over, giving that 3% for the right ear and the 1% for the left ear. But this is a great example, just a visual example of why I hope she will be wearing her hearing aids. And then even when she is wearing her hearing aids, it can be difficult to hear in noise, and she'll probably still get really tired of having to listen so carefully all day long. And so wearing that remote microphone will help so much with that. So we can also go over here to a simulator so we can actually hear what it sounds like with her hearing loss. So I'm gonna I just put average level talkers, and this is with her hearing loss. Okay, let's listen. Okay, I actually couldn't hear any of that. Let's try this one. I couldn't hear any of that either. I think that she probably does function better than this because we know that she can get along and communicate with us without her hearing aids, but I think she's gonna do a lot better with them. When she does wear them, this is just an estimate of what it probably sounds like to her.
So you're not going to be able to do this, is that what you're telling them?
I'm telling you that's probably what I'm going to do.
You're just going to sit here and listen? Tell me about it.
Okay, so that is much better than the first one we listened to, but it still is soft, and let's compare that to normal now.
Okay, so you're not going to be able to do this, is that what you're telling them?
I'm telling you that's probably what I'm going to do, is not do it.
You're just going to sit here and listen?
Okay, so let's go back through those. So now you can kind of tell what the normal volume is. With her hearing loss, this is how the computer calculates. I really can't hear anything. And then with a hearing aid, it might be like this.
Okay, so you're not going to be able to do this, is that what you're telling them?
I'm telling you that's probably what I'm going to do.
You're just going to sit here and listen?
Okay, so I can hear all those sounds, I believe, but it's just a little bit softer than I'm used to. And then here's back to normal.
Okay, so you're not going to be able to do this, is that what you're
All right, so again, these are, estimations based on calculations, based on her hearing test. And so while it might not be exactly true for her, but this just kind of gives us an estimate and a way to listen and understand what it might be like to listen with her hearing loss. So I'm hoping she will continue to wear the hearing aids. Let me know if you have any questions.